Hello my dear students, good morning first class. I am Neelam. Today I welcome you in your science class. Okay, and in previous videos we already have discussed first chapter and it's complete now, but from by today we will start second chapter of science textbook, and the chapter 2 is the world of plants. Okay, the world of plants we learn chapter 2. So first we do the warm up exercise. Look at the picture, see the picture carefully. There are so many things: birds, plants, mountains, kids and a man. So there is some questions depend on this picture, and you will answer in yes or no. Okay, so first is, do you see plants in the picture? Have you seen the plants in this picture? Yes. So we write here, yes, there are plants, 1, 2, and these are all are plants. And next one is, are all plants of the same kind? All the plants are same? No. So we write here, no. These are smalls, these are bigs, and these are middle size. Next, number 3, are there many kinds of plants? Yes, there are so many kinds of plants, little, big, middle. Okay, so we write here yes. Next, number 4, are all plants of the same size? All the plants are in same size? No, so we write here no. Next one is number 5, do such plants grow near your home or school? Can you grow these type of plants near to your school or house? Yes. So we write here yes. So your exercise, warm up exercise is complete. Now we start chapter. First we read, then discuss. Okay. So listen carefully and watch. Plants are found everywhere. They are different size. They make our world colorful. Okay. Our world is looking beautiful by the help of plants. Okay, types of plants. So first we read in this chapter types of plants and what's the characteristics and what's the categories of plants we will discuss in this chapter. First thing is, plants are different types. There are big plants and small plants. Okay, first we discuss big plants. Some plants are big and strong. Such plants are called trees. Okay, big and strong plants are called trees. For example, mango tree, coconut tree, banyan tree, peepal tree, and many more. Okay, you can see the pictures of tree. Come on the page number 10, and you can see the pictures. These are trees. These are big in size and they are strong. Mango tree, coconut tree, banyan tree, peepal tree. These are big in size, so they are called trees. And second one is small plants. Some plants are small but strong. Such plants are called shrubs. They are bushy plants. For example, okay, small plants are called shrubs. For example, rose plant, cotton plant, lemon plant, hibiscus plant, and many more. So see the pictures. They are small in size. Okay, some plants are small but strong. Okay, small in size but strong. Rose plant, cotton plant, lemon plant, hibiscus plant, they are shrubs. Okay, and small plants that have soft stems are called herbs. Small plants and they are not strong, they are soft stems, they are called herbs. For example, grass, mint. Mint means pudina, spinach means palak, coriander means dhania, and many more. These all plants have soft stems and small in size. You can see the picture: grass, mint, spinach, coriander, dhania, palak, and this is pudina, mint. So these are the shrubs. These are the herbs plants. And next one is Plants that cannot straight. Okay, plants that cannot stand straight. Some plants are weak, they cannot stand up on their own, they need support to stand. You may have seen them growing on walls or another plant. Sometimes they take the support of sticks. Such plants are called climber. What are climbers? They are weak plants and they need support. They need support to stand. They need support to stand by the help of stick. Okay. And the examples are climber examples are grapevine, pea plant, money plant, and many more. Okay, this is grapevine, grapes, and pea plant, mutton, money plant. They are weak plants and they need support to stand, and they stand with the help of sticks. Okay, so they are called climbers. And some other weak plants grow along the ground. They are called creepers. For example, watermelon plant, pumpkin plant, and many more. Okay, weak plants grow along the ground. Okay, they are weak and grow on the ground. They are called creepers. Weak plant and grow on ground. Example, watermelon plant, pumpkin plant, and many more. Okay, you can see the picture, watermelon, and there are so many examples, watermelon, muskmelon, and pumpkin plant. So there is a quick test for you that you are learned till now. So answer these questions. Name 2 of these followings big trees. Example of big trees: peepal tree, banyan tree. Shrubs: rose, lemon tree, lemon plant. Herbs: mint, tulsi. Tulsi is also a herb plant, and you can write coriander, spinach, grass, etc. But we write mint and tulsi. Second one is creepers: pumpkin plant, watermelon plant. These are the creepers. And next heading is parts of a plant. Plants have many parts. Look at the picture given on next page to know about the parts of plants. So turn the page number 12. Parts of plants. This is the picture of parts of plants. First part is flower, second part is leaf, and third part is stem, and fourth part is root. Okay, so these are the 4 parts of plant, and one is missing, that is fruit. So we make here a fruit. This is fruit. So first is flower. It grows into fruit. Okay, flower grows into fruit. Second one is, this is leaf. This is leaf, makes food for the plant. It prepare food for the plant. Third one is fruit. Okay, it's a fleshy and juicy part of a plant. This is fruit. And this is green color and a strong part, main part of the plant. This is called stem. Transport water and food to all the parts of the plant. Okay, what's the work of stem? Transport water and food to all the plants. We water in root. Okay, then stem take water in whole parts of the plant. And the last one is, fifth one is, roots absorb water from soil and hold it to the soil. This is root. So this is the parts of plant. Next heading is Plants grow from seeds. Plants grow from seeds. A seed has a baby plant inside it, and plant need light, air, water to grow. Okay, what need plants to grow? Air, light, air, water to grow. These things are essential for plant. They also need good soil. Okay, and main thing is soil. So you can see the picture. Plants need light, air, water and soil. These are the light, air, water and soil. See the picture. We eat carols like wheat and rice, pulses like gram and pea. These are seeds of some plants. So, and next one is bushy. Let's discuss the difficult words. Bushy, covered with bush, soil, the upper layer of the earth in which plants grow. Fruit, the fleshy part of a plant that grow from flowers. This is your chapter, and let's revise the chapter. Some plants are big and some plants are small. Trees are big and strong plants. Climbers are weak plants. They need support to stand. Plants need light, air and water to grow. Your chapter is complete now, and the exercise we will discuss in next video. And your homework is you will draw the diagram of parts of plant. Parts of plant. It's your homework. Draw in your notebook parts of plant and write only parts. Okay, write only parts. Thanks for watching me. Have a nice day.